Just to the west of A. Rene, over the Manitou, there are several islands that look as if they should be part of the northern peninsula, but during the course of time it was decided they should be islands. There are narrow channels between the islands and mainland, some of which are too shallow for a boat like the Catherine B. The Welcome Channel is plenty deep. It is amazing how on Lake of the Woods you can go from large expanses of open water to narrow river-like channels at the blink of an eye. We went as far up the channel as we felt comfortable and then turned around. There are roads to the mainland shore and many camps. The forecast called for strong winds, but we wanted to see how the Catherine B handled the waves as well as how the dinghy would ride. As is often the case, it was hard to tell in our bay how strong the wind was. We're off, headed towards Douglas Point. The wind is more noticeable out here. The dinghy is swinging a bit. Not too bad, but we'll have to do something about that eventually. We have entered the channel and are about up to the point where we turned around. There are camps on the island, to our right to start with, and also on the mainland with road access. Also on our right after the turn. Making a turn. Now that's Reedy in there too. You never know. Famous Welcome Channel. As we turned back out onto the Manitou, you can see that the wind has, shall we say, freshened a bit. We passed an osprey nest on a small island in the Manitou. I think it's a baby that you see. Hope this doesn't make you seasick. We're nearing the weather buoy. The next clip gives the weather using our onboard radio.
September 22nd for today, tonight, and Monday. Marine forecast for Lake of the Woods. Strong wind warning in effect. Wind southeast 20 knots, veering to south 20 early Monday morning. Current marine report. Weather conditions at 1 p.m. Lake of the Woods. Buoy, temperature 12, wind southeast 16, gusting to 18 knots. Wave height 0.2 meters, water temperature 17, barometric pressure 101.4 kilopascals, and falling. Royal Island temperature.
When they updated the weather report an hour later, the wave height was 0.3 meters, more like what we were experiencing. They moved the weather buoy from where it was located on my map, but we found it near Manitou Island. They measure the wave height by the bounce angle. Here you can see everything. The solar panels, the anemometer, the rain collectors, the warning light, even the Environment Canada symbol. It was windy enough that we got to use the windshield wipers and had a good test for the dinghy.
How is the front of that? I can't see the front of that dinghy. How is that running? Is that bouncing around a lot?
Well, there's Brisbane's, almost home. A very interesting cruise. Lots of things to see, and we learned a lot.